Viswa.mfame.guru presents Maritime News in a Minute. Cruise ship collides with barge on the Rhine. On August 17th, a cruise ship collided with a cargo barge near Rhine. Of the 180 passengers on board the cruise ship, 3 were taken to the hospital and 10 were treated by medical teams on accident site. C-SPAN welcomes its 5th saver. C-SPAN Corporation, a worldwide leader in independent container ship management and ownership, has received the delivery of a Yangming Wellness 14,000 TEU Saver designed container ship, known for its fuel efficiency. Amphibious drone to land on sea. The Naval Research Lab is assessing the possibility of combination machine, FLIMR. This machine is a flying drone that can land on water and then travel like a submarine below the surface. Viswa.mfame.guru